Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Rabbids Coding. This is the beginning. So there is a sign of Rabbids Coding. So as you can see there is a play button. You have to click it. So this is the basics. There's lots of levels on there. Intermediate, advanced, lots of levels. So we need to start with level 1. You have to click it, then click the go button. Okay, it's coming. Coming. Okay. This is called the space station. So as you can see, there's a rabbit. This rabbit landed into the space station and damaging everything. So our mission is to send him back to the Earth with this washing machine. So as you can see, there is a special helmet on the rabbit's head. So this helmet allows you to put him and send him to the Earth. This is called the coding space. So as you can see, there is a block. This block's name is forward block. This block allows you to go forward. So you need to grab it, then put into the coding space. So this is the play button. You have to click it. He got 1 tiles. That means you have to put forward blocks to go forward to the washing machine. So he needs to go another forward. He will go another tiles. Let's play. Okay, he got 2 tiles. Keep pushing. Okay. This way. Then he will go another tiles here. Then he will go to the washing machine. Okay. It's still working. Yes, it did it. Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye.